Hi guys! My name is Kent Dane Pablo, aka KD for short, and welcome to my very first vlog. I'm excited to share a little about myself, what my day usually looks like, and most importantly, my advocacy. Well, I already did showcase you some of my daily routines, right? Well, a typical day for me starts with waking up early, of course, eating my breakfast, picking what my outfit for the day, going to school, attend classes, and lastly, after class, I will go jogging. I try to balance my responsibilities with things I enjoy, but I also dedicate some time to issues that matter to me like raising awareness about teenage pregnancy, right? Well, what is all about? My advocacy focuses on addressing and preventing teenage pregnancy. It's about spreading awareness, promoting proper education on reproductive health, and supporting young people so they can make informed choices for their choice. Well, what made you choose this advocacy? Well, I choose this advocacy because I've seen how teenage pregnancy affects many young lives. Some of my friends and people in our community experience it, and I realize how important it is to guide and inform teenagers before it happens. Well, why is it important to you? This is important to me because teenage pregnancy changed the course of someone's education, opportunities, and even their mental health. I believe that everyone deserves a chance to give or achieve their goals without facing challenges as such as a young age. Who would want that, right? Well, why should others know about it? Well, it's important for others to know about teenage pregnancy because it's not just a personal issue. It affects families, communities, and even society. The more the understand, the better we can support those who are going through it. Help prevent it through proper knowledge and awareness. Well, encourage others to learn more. Well, for lastly, I encourage all of you to learn more about teenage pregnancy on how it happens, consequences, and what we can do to prevent it. The more we talk about it openly, the less stigma there is and the more support we can give to teens. Well, that's all for today's video. I hope you learned more. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe.